Hey friends, if you wish to know what the PC Health Check tool is and how to download it, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for the PC Health Check tool in your search bar and then go to the first option to download the tool. Or you can also go to the Microsoft support page, scroll down and click on this aka.ms option. Both of them are the same. Click on open to install it. It will need a few seconds to open the installer. I accept the license terms, install, and then let it run through. And then click on finish. Now you can click on check now corresponding to Windows 11. Now it says that it meets all the requirements of Windows 11. Other than that, you can also check the details for other parameters on your system, about the storage, about Windows backup, about update, about the startup time, etc. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.